Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is some real change stock options trading journey. And today, Thursday, leap year, February the 29th. We are happy and excited to be here and happy that you have chosen to join us. Thank you for your patience with me as I've been traveling, but I have been determined, whether it's in the morning or the evening, to show up every day. And for those of you who missed us yesterday, you were truly missed, but we showed up in the afternoon and made some very good profits yesterday afternoon. The market will always present itself, and all we have to do is be patient. Good morning, Dr. J. Let me know how the volume is. Please comment in the comment section. Let me know how the volume is. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for doing that. As usual, suspects get ready to enter the building. We are grateful for that. Good morning to all. Top of the morning to you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. As we begin today. We're going to take our time here. Thank you, Lance. Good volume. All righty. Brian is in the building. Lance is in the building. What a move by the SPY pre-market. We did have a report that came out at 8:30 this morning, which will explain that. We had a PCE report that came out. And again, it's not the report. It's not the news. It's about how the stock responds to the news. So that's what we are looking for now, to see how she's going to respond to the news. Very interesting morning so far. And we're getting ready to set it off in less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute, we are getting ready to set it off. Less than 30 seconds. Going to absolutely take our time this morning. Don't know what to expect with such a wild move pre-market. Can't wait to see how the market reacts and responds to it this morning. Okay, guys, we got this. We have this. I'm not surprised at this morning rush. Not surprised by it. I do have a 508 put ready. I do have a 507 call ready. I will only leave up pre-market on the line chart. As far as intraday here, we're just going to go right from the day's first candle. Good morning, team. Dan is in the building as well. Interesting. Very interesting. Man, she's snapping. A lot of people want to get a hold of that. It's a little part of me that wanted to take a call right out the gate. It's a small part of me that really wanted to. Pre-market high has been violated. So get that out of here. First 5 minutes are very volatile. The first 15 minutes can trick you. Just give the market some time and an opportunity to present itself. Damn it, Jim. First 5 minutes is crazy. I'm having anxiety like a mug. You know, with this gap like this, consider this gap from 505 to 508. It didn't even need retail. It didn't even need retail to move $3. That's amazing. Without retail money. Very interesting. So we are having a little bit of resistance here at the 508.8. What a move right out the gate. We literally could have been done in 5 minutes. What a move right out of the gate, because everybody wanted to be involved. That was the Me Too. Everybody saw the move that took place pre-market, and then the Me Too took place at market open. When retail wanted a piece of that and wanted to chase this, but still want to keep this in proper perspective. That's a lot of liquidity, and I appreciate that liquidity. I appreciate it. My normal wait till 10 o'clock may or may not come into play today because the market has already been active since 8:30. We have a potential put right out of supply setting up potentially. We still want to keep in mind that well, all the FOMO buying was done in the first 5 minutes for those people who can't be at their computer this morning, who have to go to work or things of that nature. You know, the first 5 minutes where their orders were being executed at market open. Very interested, not in this candle, but the very next candle. Coming down, the VWAP on this one is lovely. Of course, I wanted to take a put, but that is my confirmation candle. I'm looking for a continuation to put a squeeze on these bulls. I want to see how the bulls respond. But the bears have been very aggressive at the 508.8. Very aggressive. From the 508.8 to the 508.5. The bears are aggressive. The bulls right now are trying to save their position. We also have reports coming out at 9:45 and at 10 o'clock as well. So we definitely want to watch out for any volume spikes. That does concern me, the 10:45 reports. Mm-hmm. It was a glitch. Anybody hear about the glitch with Bitcoin, 100 billion in Bitcoin was wiped out in 60 minutes. Again, still within that first 15 minutes, first 5 minutes, and then the first 15 minutes, which is why we stand aside and let the bullies fight. Again, we wait for the candle to close. The first 15 minutes can trick you. Yes, this is the area that I would like to get in the trade, but we have rules that we follow. Not just with confirmation, but continuation. And this is exactly why. If we would have jumped in this just because it hit the area that we wanted to trade in, we would have lost. We would have been sucked up. You know? So let's give it up for our discipline. I don't have my clap machine, so I'm clapping for me and clapping for you guys. Bears are certainly showing up, Dan says. Yes, the Bears are showing up, Dan, but they are being met by some aggressive, very aggressive bulls. Very aggressive bulls. There's just such a benefit in allowing the charts to develop, regardless what happens. No such thing as a missed trade. The market will always present an opportunity to make some money. We just have to have the discipline to be patient and wait. Easier said than done, of course. Now I just got in. I'm a little early, just a little early. I'm a little early. I'm a little early. Meaning I should have waited until we broke out of this buying algo. I should have waited. Don't make my mistake. I should have waited. Should have waited. I'm going to be patient with it momentarily. Thank you. Lance reminded everybody, if you don't mind hitting the like button, it's greatly appreciated. You know what? I forgot myself, and I just told you guys that there's a report coming out at 9:45. Googity Bob. I just told you guys that. It's a report at 9:45 and a report at 10 o'clock. Human error. Human error. We've identified the area, but human error allowed me to get in a little early. Discipline, however, allowed me to stay in until the candle closes and not be spooked out by where the market is trading. That should have been my entry candle right here, right at the arrow. Right at the arrow. That should have been my entry candle right here. Again, this should have been my entry candle, and will safeguard and protect this candle. We have another report coming out at 10 o'clock. Thank you for asking that, Lance. uh, let's go ahead and would love to be in a winning trade to start off with. Tell you that to start off with. Lance, I'm gonna take it all the way back to the 5 if it happens. 507.9 back to weekly support. If the opportunity presents itself, I will take it to weekly support. Provided the opportunity presents itself. Definitely a fight going on right here. I wish I had my smack my hand button. Hmm. 30 seconds left in this candle. $20 seconds left in this candle. I just got out, Lance. And we can see here on the line chart that we are in this controlled buying. I was early with the anticipation of the breaking out of this controlled buying algo, taking it back down to support. It very well could happen. But again, I owe myself a slap because I took the trade before 10 o'clock. So I will go ahead and accept that little smack. We held on as long as we could. But that was not ideal. Again, wait for a clear setup. We will regroup, reset up, reanalyze, re-attack. Okay. Interesting. We are still in this buying algo. We are still very much in it. Very much in it. The 10 o'clock candle is upon us. And it is giving us that continuation right back to intraday support. Also, that controlled buying algo is holding up very well on the line chart. Patience is all that's required. Patience is all that is required, and a little bit more time. Time and patience. But I do believe, based on this very heavy bearish presence, put a break on the outside of it. Like it right here. Come down here, give me a continuation here. This is what I would like to see. Potentially right here. Did you see that? Whoa. That's that 10 o'clock report. That's that 10 o'clock report action response to that news. Nothing to do here right now, guys. There's nothing to do. Just the algos revealing itself. Okay. I'll be right back. We'll go grab me a couple. Okay, I'm back. As we're being entertained by the SPY, I have a question for the floor. I just want to see, is it me? Okay. But when I trade, I sweat in my armpits. Like my armpits be sweating. Like whatever t-shirt that I wear, that shirt be wet. So I have to wear like a t-shirt underneath my regular shirt so I can just throw that away. I mean, I'm glad I'm not funky or anything, but just from the sound of the excitement, the nervousness, the anxiousness, but I really be perspirating from my armpits. Does anyone else have that problem? I'd be ready to go. Right? As long as I'm, Dr. J said, as long as I'm sure it's all good. Yes, I'm concentrating for you guys, Dan. I really am. the the Bulls keep trying. The Bulls really keep trying. Five, nine, five, eight, nine. Still very early. Taking our time. So happy I'm back with you guys this morning. We had some fun yesterday afternoon, but back happy to be on our regularly scheduled program. One and a half minute left on this candle. I'm not fooled by it, but it will potentially give me that continuation candle that I would love to be in. As you can see, we are finally breaking out of the controlled buying algo. But with 1 minute left, I want to see a close and then a continuation. This is unbelievable. You better be careful here, though. This will be, woo. This is war right here. Right to the line I just drew. How about that? Unbelievable. Right to the line I just drew. Retrace right back from it. Let's go ahead and get us a little color. Less than 1 minute on this candle. Less than 1 minute on this candle. We want to be careful. This could be a trick by the Bulls to build liquidity. We want to be careful. This could be an awesome liquidity grab by the Bulls if we are not careful. 30 seconds left on this candle. Very strong bullish action. Bulls hiding in bare skin. And I did exactly what I said I would do and get right back in on that candle where my entry was. There we go, Lance. That's what we was waiting on, Lance. That's what we was waiting on, Lance. That's what we was waiting on, team. Get this money, team. Get this money. I went in and out myself. I went in and out myself. Wow, guys. I mean, I couldn't paint the picture any clearer. I'll put the arrow on the screen where we wanted to come to. It went right to that arrow. I just got out a little bit early, but I know you guys are getting profit. There's a lot of money left. Take some profit there at the 507.5. Take some profit at the 507.5. Be aware of the bulls trying to buy it up. If you want to leave a runner, but take some profit at the 507.5 as well. If you want to leave a runner. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Damn, I got out too early. But if this is the problem we're having, then I'm fine with it. This is the problem we're having, and I'm fine with it. Right to the munions. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade, guys. A lot of time left in this. That's why I said, you know, watch that area, that 507.5. There is support here. Breaking that support could take us down even further. My next level is the 506.7. My next level is the 506.7. Let's see how the bulls respond here. Might be able to short the pop for another leg down. Might be able to short the pop for another leg down. Again, that 507.5, guys, that is a magnet. Clearly saw that, no problem. Wow, we have the potential to break right past. I hope somebody got some runners on here. I know the team is getting money. I know this team is getting money. I know this team is getting some money. Woo! My goodness. I know this team is getting some money. My goodness. I'm so happy for you guys. I'm so proud of you guys. This is what we do here. And we do it all the time. And we do it all the time. Somebody's getting some big money. I know the team is getting some big money right now. That 507, 506. 506 is coming right down to it. 506.8. 506.8. Take it at the 506.9 to be on the safe side. There you go. There it is. There it is. Let me take my little money off the screen and make room for you guys with the big money today. Oh yeah, the team got big money today. I know it. I can't wait to look into the comment section here. I can't wait to look into the comments section. $10 seconds left on this candle. Get your money, guys. It's a wrap. Get your money. Get your money. We have set out and accomplished what we wanted to. We've done it. It's amazing. Dr. J made some profits on that. I made some nice profits on that put too. Who else? Come on, guys. Ring it in. Dr. J, I know is not the only person who got some money on that. Recovered my loss and made a little. All right, Lance, Dan got that done. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see what happens with the discipline? If I would have been disciplined and I traded until 10 o'clock. That's okay. That's why I called out human error. We knew the area. We knew the area. that the trade was going to happen. And this is where we make our money, in this nice, smooth 5-minute candle. Clearly after 10 o'clock. Right after 10 o'clock. Let's talk about the beauty of waiting to 10 o'clock and why I deserve a bigger slap on the wrist, because I should have had much bigger profits. Waiting to 10 o'clock, as we do, what happened? At the 10 o'clock candle, we had that report come out. We wanted to see what was going to be the response to that report. We already knew that the 5088 area was heavily defended by the bears. Once the very next candle closed underneath VWAP, it was go time. We already had the arrow on it. We knew we wanted to break out of this controlled buying algo. It closed outside of the algo, and there was our continuation straight to the bank. That can happen any day, every day if there's an opportunity. You can't run from it. Once we identify these algos, you can't run from the trade. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. And we will forever be able to get money from the market with this ability. Thank God. Let's give it up for God. Thank you for giving me the vision to see. Because when I see it, boy, we pick this market apart. Now it's only time for, to be honest with you, if me and Lance wouldn't have taken that loss, we'd be done for the day. For those of you who have made money, if you're not happy with how much money you made, you just need to trade bigger. There is no more reason to take another trade today. This trade was called out. There was plenty money in this candle. This candle dropped from 508 to 506. What more do you want? From 508.3 to 506.9. What more do you want? One more. Can somebody hit the like button? Can somebody hit the like button? We don't have a sponsor today. So today our sponsor is the S&P 500. We would like to thank the S&P 500 for being stable. We would like to thank the S&P 500 for the algos that it has to display. We would like to thank the S&P 500 for the ability for us to read what it is doing and to take advantage when it hits those areas, if it hits those areas. Sometimes it doesn't, and we don't trade. But we have hardly ever been let down by the S&P 500. We might let ourselves down by trading early, by not following discipline, but we have hardly ever been wrong by reading what the S&P is saying. I don't know anything. There's no crystal balls over here. We just wait, allow the chart to develop, identify the algos, look for the area where people will be in trouble, and that is where you will find us. Beautiful trading, guys. I don't know what else to tell you. I feel like Tyrese. What more do you want from me? I just can't do anything else today. I feel that, we've gotten what the market has given us, and we've done it early. Yes, I would like to continue trading, but that's only because I'm upset at the loss that I took earlier today. And if I wouldn't have taken that loss earlier today, I probably would have held on a little longer to my profits. So I truly deserve the slap on the wrist. Truly deserve it today. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this live early. Give us opportunity to see if we're going to get a leg down here. Yep, that's what I thought, guys. I am going to go ahead and end it right now. We still have an opportunity for a much further leg down. But I think that the market, I want to pull it back. I want to pull it up in a larger screen now. I think the market might now be back at that 5067 magnet area that it has been all week. Okay. So now that we look at things in its proper perspective, the market got away but came right back to this 5075 area that has been a magnet. We've gotten away from it. We've gotten below it, but somehow we're right back to it. We made our money trading back into the area, but I don't have, or I can't see where the liquidity will be to take it down lower. I do see where there is liquidity to take it up higher, with bears who are still holding, starting to cover, taking it back to VWAP. But very simple. We had our trade of the day. That was it. It is up to myself to trade it better. I wish I would have traded it better. But nonetheless, I'm grateful. And I hope you guys are too. Look forward to being with you guys again tomorrow. Same stock, same channel, same fine group of traders. I appreciate and thank all of you for being here. This is Abdul Shabazz for some real change. And that is our goal here, to make some real change in every sense of the word. I thank you. Cheers to all. Have a great day. Everyone have a wonderful day. Bye for now.